Are you a twin flame experiencing frustrating delays in manifesting your desires? You're not alone. But what if the very energetic blocks you're unaware of are silently sabotaging your union, your abundance, and your emotional peace? Today's reading is not casual. It's revealing something very specific, a hidden resistance that many twin flames are overlooking. And by the end of this message, you'll understand exactly what needs to be released so your manifestations can finally move forward. Stay with me until the end, because there's one crucial message Spirit wants you to hear. Take a deep breath, set your intention. Let's tune into the collective twin flame energy. I'm drawing the first card for the current energetic block affecting manifestation. We have the Eight of Swords. This card represents mental entrapment, subconscious fear patterns, overthinking, and self-imposed limitations. Many twin flames are feeling stuck, frustrated, or delayed, not because the universe is withholding blessings, but because your nervous system is still operating from old survival programming. You may be unconsciously expecting abandonment, rejection, delay, or disappointment, even while consciously affirming union and abundance. This creates mixed signals in your energetic field. Your mind wants manifestation, but your subconscious still believes love requires struggle or waiting. This block can show up as anxiety, control tendencies, emotional overanalysis, or difficulty trusting divine timing. Let's clarify this energy. The next card is the Five of Pentacles. This confirms a deep-rooted scarcity wound. Some of you carry ancestral or childhood imprints around loss, lack, emotional neglect, or unworthiness. On the twin flame journey, this often surfaces as fear of being left behind, not chosen, or not enough. Even if you've healed a lot already, this layer is now coming up for final release because your soul is ready for expansion. Your manifestation has been delayed not as punishment, but as protection while this old identity dissolves. Now, let's look at your twin flame connection energy. We have the Two of Cups. Your union is real. The soul bond is intact. There is mutual energetic recognition between divine feminine and divine masculine. Love is not the problem here. Alignment is the focus now. Spirit is showing that both counterparts are energetically preparing for emotional maturity, sovereignty, and balanced giving and receiving. The connection wants harmony, not chasing, not proving, not rescuing. When you release the old survival identity, the relationship naturally stabilizes. Let's see what specifically needs healing right now. The next card is the solar plexus energy, the Strength card. This confirms confidence, self-trust, emotional regulation, and inner authority are key. Your solar plexus chakra governs how safe you feel to receive joy, love, success, visibility, and leadership. Some twin flames unconsciously shrink themselves, suppress desires, or overcompensate emotionally. Healing this center restores healthy boundaries, calm confidence, magnetism, and emotional safety. Your union responds to your nervous system regulation more than your affirmations. Now, let's look at your partner's current emotional energy. We have the Knight of Cups. Your twin flame carries romantic feelings, longing, and emotional desire for connection. However, this energy can also represent emotional fluctuation, hesitation, or internal processing. They may be navigating their own healing, learning emotional responsibility, or releasing avoidance patterns. This confirms that inner alignment on both sides is happening simultaneously, even if physical movement feels slow. Now let's receive the solution energy, how to release the block and accelerate manifestation. We draw the Ace of Wands. This represents energetic reset, new identity activation, creative power, inspired action, and soul ignition. Spirit is asking you to consciously shift your self-concept. See yourself not as someone waiting, healing, fixing, but as someone embodied in wholeness, deserving, stable, and safe to receive. Small daily actions of nervous system regulation, self-trust practices, body awareness, and emotional grounding will rapidly dissolve this block. Your manifestation speeds up when your body feels safe to receive love and expansion. Now here is the most important message Spirit wants you to hear today. We draw the Wheel of Fortune. Your cycle is changing, but it cannot shift if you keep identifying with your past pain story. The universe is ready to open doors, but your energy must match stability, safety, and self-trust, not waiting mode. The delay was not rejection, it was preparation. Once you emotionally release the identity of struggle, the wheel moves quickly. Synchronicities increase, communication improves, opportunities align, emotional peace stabilizes. Your union responds to who you become, not what you chase. Take a deep breath and affirm silently. I am safe to receive love, union, and abundance. I release old fear patterns now. Let this activation settle into your nervous system. If this message resonated with you, your next step is consistency and embodiment, not overthinking, not forcing timelines, not seeking external validation. Trust the unfolding. Thank you for being here, beautiful soul. Your journey is divinely guided.